Sometimes documents can get out of hand. Maybe you've really gotten into the flow of writing and your document is overwhelmingly long. Or your whole team has brought all their ideas together and now you need to add some structure. Separators and page breaks are here to help you add some space to your document and create visual hierarchy on the page. To use a separator on desktop, navigate to the Insert menu either in the floating sidebar or in the open right-hand sidebar. Select a line from the options here and drag it into your document. This method works great for adding separators once you've written your content. On any device, you can use the slash key to bring up a menu and search for a separator there. If you want to work at light speed, simply type 3 dashes to bring up a separator. The same methods work for a page break too. Either go to the Insert menu or use the slash key and search for a page break. Speed up your workflow again by using 3 equals signs in line to add a page break. Page breaks add even more space between your blocks, so they're really handy for creating presentations, letting you scroll from section to section as you present. Check out more craft quick tips on our YouTube channel.